But you see like how my timelines goes like left to right. So I first have my characters and what they will look like. Then I create the environments. What will they look like? Here is, for example, the labs. I have lab 2, lab. I have button, so I can reference them very easily in the prompt. I have the logo. And here's the environments. Here's the hatch and everything. So that's all I need, right? I create the story first of what that's going to look like, the characters, then the environments and the objects. So that's very good if you're going to press a specific button. It's always good to like have it there, so then the video model doesn't have to make it up. Especially if you're going to reference it maybe again, then it will always look the same. So think of like, will I ever see this thing more than once in the video? You should probably have an image for it. But these are kind of like the ingredients that you then give Seedance to, and it's just gonna, it's like you're the chef, and then Seedance 2 is like your sous chef. So you're gonna cook this together, where you just need the ingredients, and you're gonna cook together. The prompt is definitely gonna be like how to cook it right, and then you're gonna create really cool stuff.